I have been thinking about buying these for a while and finally went for it about a month ago, and I'm glad I did. But there are several limitations to these. Let's start with the unboxing. The organizer bins came well packaged with protective foam all the way around, and the little bins inside the larger ones. Once you start unpacking them, you will notice that in several places it mentions that they are not safe for microwave or dishwasher. From my research, I found this is non-negotiable. You can't use it in the dishwasher without a drying cycle or use it on top rack. The dishwasher will mess up your storage bin. The 3 medium-sized bins and the large bin all have little trays on the bottom to help keep whatever you're storing in there out of any water that might pull on the bottom. Another thing I want to mention is in the picture it kind of looks like the biggest storage bin has a drawer that pulls out. It doesn't. It's just a lid that can be lifted up. For us, this large drawer fits perfectly in our freezer and I have been using it as an extra shelf. This alone has made this purchase worth it. I just don't put anything really heavy inside or on top and it seems to hold up very well. The only negative I can say about them is I wish they were dishwasher safe, but they are easy to clean with a little soap and warm water. These are actually pretty solidly built bins, and although they don't have a rubber gasket for a complete airtight seal, the way the plastic lids slide onto the bins makes a pretty tight seal and they do a good job of keeping products fresh. I find myself regretting not getting them earlier as I find more and more uses for them.